Hello, welcome to another video from OBTutoring. Today we're going to look at Pythagoras and how to apply it. So just a quick recap on what Pythagoras is. The rule states that this smaller side is 4.8. If I was to square it and find the area of the square, and I add it together, the area of this square, which is 3.6 by 3.6, it would add up to make this side squared. Okay, and we can use that idea to find the missing side in right angled triangles. So the rule is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are always the smaller sides and c is always the longer side. How do we identify the longer side? It's always opposite the right angle. Okay, so that's always the longest side. So for this first one here then, we're going to do 4.8 squared plus 3.6 squared, and that will equal what c squared is. Okay, now the inverse of squaring is square root. So to make this nice and quick on the calculator, we can simply write, to find c, the square root of 4.8 squared plus 3.6 squared. So 4.8 squared plus 3.6 squared equals 6. So C for this one equals 6. The side length here is 6 centimeters. Okay, we'll apply that to this one here. But as we can see, we've got a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But we're already given the longer side. So what we've been given is 6.75 squared plus b squared. We don't know b. This is a, b, and that has to be c, equals 17.55 squared. Therefore, we need to rearrange this, so we're going to get b squared equals 17.55 squared minus 6.75 squared. Okay, and we can get rid of the squared here and put this all under a square root. Take away 6.75 squared equals, so b for this one, 16.2 centimeters, and that makes sense because this measurement has to be shorter than the longest side, and it is shorter than 17.55. Okay, this one here, we actually have two right angle triangles put together, so we're going to be doing two steps here to work out what AD is. Now AD is this one here, and it's opposite the right angle, so we're going to be working out this bit here. So I'm going to split this into two. I'm going to draw a quick sketch of both triangles. So the first one I've got here looks like this, and I'm given 19 and 14, and I need to work out this missing side here. And then my second triangle looks a little like this, CAD. Now both shapes share the side A to C. Okay, so we need to find that one first. So I'm just going to label that X, and here X. That's 10. And eventually we want to find out what AD is. So first of all, over here, we are finding a shorter side. So it's going to be the longer side squared minus the shorter side squared. So in my calculator, I'm going to write 19 squared minus 14 squared. It's going to tell me what X is. So I have 12.8 and so on. In my calculator, I'm going to make sure I use the A and S button. I'm not rounding at this stage. I round at the end to 3 significant figures. So if I have here, instead of X, I know it's going to be 12.8 ... We are finding the longer side, so it's going to be square root of 12.8 squared plus 10 squared. That will tell me what AE is. So in the calculator, I'll press the A and S button. Squared plus 10 squared gives me an answer of 16.3 rounded to 3 significant figures. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you for all your support.